Hello YouTube, this is Nelson from SoCal Airsoft, and I'm doing a review on the Double Eagle M58B. This is a shotgun that has a FPS of 390 FPS average with .12s or .12. Has 330 FPS to 340 FPS average with .20s. Okay, this is my review of starting from the butt and ending in the tip. Okay, it comes with this type of sling, a really nice textured pistol grip. The trigger's nice. Safety's right here. Fire, safe, fire. Pull the trigger, obviously. Pop-up is right here. More hop, less hop. I prefer more hop because you could reach really far with this. Okay, moving on. Oh yeah, plastic body right here. Plastic. Really nice textured plastic though. Not gonna break on you because I chucked this at a kid when I ran out of ammo, so I just grabbed it like this and just chucked it at him. Doesn't break though, which is nice. Metal heat shield. Metal, forgot what it's called. Shell lever, something like that. Oh wait, no, it's plastic. If you're wondering where the weight is, they're right in this tube. The weight is right here. Cocking handle, lever, whatever you want to call it, obviously. Sling. You can twist this off, but I'm not going to do that now. Orange tip, just because the police, you don't want to get shot by the police or get the SWAT team called on you. There's no sights, you just pretty much have to line this up with nothing else. You just have to guess and shoot. It is single shot, as you can see the barrel in there. See it? Here, you can see it. It's a nickel coated barrel. And just to tell you, my FPS is chrono, just for your knowledge. And I got this shotgun for like $26 off of Airsoft Megastore. Took 2 days to come, not bad. Comes with a sling. 14 round, very low cap magazine. Not even low cap, just a spring cap. Just goes in the mag well right there. It's hard to put in because you have to line it up perfectly. This thing is just scary. If you buy this, go into a dark CQB room. Just do that and they'll be scared out of their asses. It's pretty loud. Good for intimidation. Weighs about 2 pounds or so. Can reach about, this thing's actually pretty accurate from like 100 feet away, 150 feet away. I would say the range that you want to be using this, 50 feet or less, just because it's funny and it just hurts the guy more. Yeah, so this is Nelson from SoCal Airsoft signing out. Peace, YouTube. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe, favorite, like, whatever you want to do. Bye.